Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Tati Yulia Hesti. I'm a student from Biology Education, University of Muhammadiyah Surabaya. Well, in this video, I want to explain about the 5 concept as a final semester exam assignment for the English Literature course. The first is the understanding of the 5 concept. The 5 learning cycle model is a learning model consisting of stages of activities organized in such a way that students can master the competencies that must be achieved in learning by playing an active role. Then the learning cycle learning model is one of the learning model accordance with the constructivist paradigm. The constructive theory approach basically emphasizes the importance of students build their own knowledge through the involvement of the teaching the learning process, so that the teaching and learning process is more student-centered. In other words, learning using the learning cycle learning model is centered on student and the teacher acts as a facilitator. This 5 learning cycle model has one goal, which is to provide opportunities for students to construct their own knowledge and experience by being actively involved in learning material meaningfully by working and thinking both individually and in groups, so that students can master the competencies that must be achieved. The learning cycle model used have 5 stages, namely engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. First, engage phase. At this stage, the teacher tries to arouse and develop interest with student curiosity about the topic to be taught. This is done by asking questions about factual process in everyday life, or which are in accordance with the topic discussed. A second, exploration phase. In this phase, students are given activities that can involve students' activeness to test prediction and hypothesis through alternative technique. Record observation and discuss with other students, so that students have the opportunity to work together in small groups without direct teaching from the teacher. In this phase, the teacher acts as a facilitator. Third, explanation phase. Activities in this phase aim to complete, refine, and develop the concept acquired by students. Students are required to explain the concept being studied in their own sentence. Fourth, elaboration phase. This learning activity directs students to apply the concept they have been learned, make connection between concepts and apply them to new situations through advanced practicum activities that can strengthen and expand the concept that have been learned. Last, evaluation phase, students are given questions to diagnose the implementation of learning activities and find out students' understanding of the concept obtained. Example of the 5L cycle model in this application is aside by crossword puzzle, which are applied at the excavation stage. The use of learning media that can support activity and improve student learning outcomes need to be applied. In the subject of biology, the material of the plant what has quite a lot of Latin names. So it requires media that can help students remember easily. One of the learning media that can be applied is crossword puzzle media. This is media is in the form of columns that are arranged horizontally and descending. Having horizontal and descending question, which later answer to this question are filled in the empty box that have been arranged. The use of media can help make learning more interesting, can help increase interest and motivation in learning so that later it can improve student learning outcomes. Crossword puzzle can help students to expand their vocabulary, knowledge, engagement with lecture material, increase students' confidence in their abilities and understanding. It is also said that the use of crossword puzzle is an innovative way to involve students in learning and help them to acquire knowledge and skill. This is example of crossword puzzle. Next, advance and disadvantage of the 5 learning cycle. Advantage first, increase learning motivation because students are actively involved in the learning process. Two, help develop students' scientific attitude. Less learning becomes more meaningful. Then this advantage. First, the effectiveness of learning is low if the teacher does not master the material and learning step. Second, demanding the centrality and creativity of teacher in design and implementing the learning process. And last, requires a more planned and organized class management. Then, and it can be concluded that the student's response after the learning process with the 5 learning cycle model is positive, which means that students are very interested in the applied model. This is because students have just trained learning using the 5 learning cycle model, where in this model, students are required to be active in each phase, thus making students more daring in asking questions and expressing opinion that are carried out in group discussion activities contained in the learning cycle model. So that students feel happy about the implementation of the 5 learning cycle model. That's all for me. More or less sorry so much and thank you. Hopefully useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.